my goodness, what are you doing in there? Are we going to send you to Grandma? We're going to mail you to Grandma. You're big. The box is big enough.
Oh, yeah. It wouldn't weigh any more than Eric's garment bag.
Yeah, just return to sender. Should we just put return to sender and send you to Grandma?
He's gonna disappear in there.
So lay down in it, Marshall. Get on your face.
Okay, it's messier, but it was sure a lot of fun.
Lay down. Marshall, hide in the box.
Are they sticking to you?
Look at those toes. He's so cute. Sticking his toes up. Look at Mommy.